everyone! Today we are driving two best friends, a hare and a hippo. What a wonderful and unusual pair. They've known each other since childhood and even thought they look very different. They always stick together. Watch closely as I drove the hare step by step. He's quite a little rascal. Start with his head, then add his long ears. They are really tall and stand straight up. Don't forget his sharp teeth and bright, curious eyes. You can draw his small nose and fluffy tail too. Fun fact about hares: they are incredibly fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Their strong back legs help them jump very far and escape from danger. The crayons you can use are listed in the description of the video, so make sure to check them out. You are doing great so far. Our little hare loves to eat crunchy carrots and fresh green grass. Maybe you can drop a carrot next to him. Good work. Well done. It looks really good. Now, it's time for his friend, the hippo. Start with small ears and a very big, round mouth. Draw a large body and short, strong legs. Don't forget the nostrils. They are very important. You can also add tiny eyes on top of his head. Fun fact about hippos: even though they look slow and heavy, they can run surprisingly fast on land and are excellent swimmers. They spend most of their day in the water to keep cool. You are doing an amazing job. Take your time, follow each step, and once everything is ready, let's color the whole picture beautiful and bright. It will bring our two friends to life. See you next time. Please subscribe.